Hello and welcome. You're watching Donbosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rumbai, bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Nyautrab Youth Council leader summoned by police amidst efforts to combat drug menace. Poor road construction exposed in Maukhar. Hito demands action. Collaborative efforts formed to combat drug menace. And Cyclone Remal wreaks havoc in Ribhoi district, Meghalaya. And now the news in detail. Roykupar Sindram, leader of the Nyautrab Youth Council, was summoned by Sardar Police Station on May 28th to explain the destruction of residents' homes in Lom Survey Cantonment Board. Sindram, addressing the media, noted this wasn't the first such summons and lamented the recurrent obstruction faced by the council. He emphasized their mission to combat drug abuse, aiming to uplift the youth ensnared by its grip. Sindram reiterated that every attempt to effect positive change seems met with adversity. The council remains resolute in its pursuit of eradicating drugs to enhance the well-being of the community's youth despite the challenges encountered.
Kes yang kabala register persya yang ini mungkin oilam. Kum kajing suatu jongi ya kes persya yang ini lah ai dekat police department hi buat lapangat ki babun ki kendon jongka IPC berkunjuk jongka MMPO abai dei beketuka sni ya kabana kalian jong kaseng ila let bandung hak apply trick nanti apa lum survey. Di katkum kajing hawan jong kulit kumangilaong nadu menen bahaba ka police department gan khot yang ni kloy banwan ban yasim benta hakanika jingkoket katkum juru lada pengat di kes persya yang ni lada ka kes kapoy pokut di hadin bagi kulit kinle la ka jong ka kami na kala yang ka jong ni ngin yasim benta kata tingim don ni ban keren persya ya ka police department ni yan nun rei kumba kalong hi nakaliang jo kaseng ringkat bat kipat ba ngilayo i ka jing long jingman jo ka jaka ka apply trick bat kabla penblong pat ya ki babun ki badon hang tu ban shim banle ya ka e badai banle ti ngiladep ban pendap la ka jong kamram ba mentara sengiru kumbala khot nakaliang jong ki bor kulit ngalawan mi hang ni bat hadin jong akin sadon sakiwei pat kinoilam ya kumba sa arngut kinoilam Vice President Wei Secretary kibalay bu kasni ki hagwei pat kisni ten nakaliang ka jong kiru nginyawan hi hak kumangalawan mga metakasi nginyawan hi banya simbenta kani ka jing toket nakaliang jongi kum kinoilam kumangilayeng hakanong rem ba nginyale nakabenta banyada ban pensa ila ka jong ka jang kini kijing IKS kijing pengat KS kijing pengat kendon kini kijing ya lenti ki jongi kum kinoilam ya kabangi hap ban mat bat ni kmi lenti bat ni ngau thuru ba bangi le nam ta banyada la jong gari ba jai pendring nginget bagi pat ba jong ka pendring nyautrap ki don sendak ni la da ki pat ba jong ka pendring nyautrap ki don sendak bat ni ngim tieng bat imre je kum kini kijing pengat ki kendon ki per di tangkan ni ngasuban kerpat ki pat ba jong ka pendring kan mau ye ki noilam ba ye ki ya ka seng ki khot jong ka seng ki bakum kini kijing tenju kinangja nangli syakmat ru inget ba namar ba kisian bangila simti hamtam e ngitep ha ba kini bro khot kimi namar ba kaseng gasem ya kasenjam ban rat dingkhong hamtam e yu drugs bat ngitep kumba baro ngitep kapisa kabaide ba jingkai ba kajing penyak yo jong drugs kabun ha ka he ha tingi so thu ru ba kita gibriu lada ki so thu ba kadon ka jingwet le se ha ka jing penyak yo gi jong ti yo drugs kin sim mi kila kelenti ki babon jat ba kumnu ban pengat kumnu ban pensitom bengi lani kumnu ban pengat ingi ki kendon ki per rengi milada ban ra haka jing sisa na kaliang jong DC arp sautrik ulapa ingi ki siki ban ong ba menen ke singi ke de bandan ke jingalang apeng ki noilam jong kaseng ke office jong DC ke office jong defense estate officer Nrei menen kapur khat arbajing yo jing tip no pat bayang kata meeting ke belabu menen arbaji lah ban pensange nakidau ba udisi umlat budon kam bay de ban penkret nam takani ka jing nyobut dan ka counting jong kabut lok sabah election hak sautrik ti ula pentip bro yang iba usabut dak kawi ka trik ba dak kawi ka singi tingin up ya kata kumakalong menta bat ngin up ru kay ka baja menta ka singi.
Concerns arose in Maukhar as the contractor responsible for road construction in Maushan Road Circle subdivision failed to meet expectations. During an observation by Hito Maushinrut Circle and Maukhar leaders, the shoddy work became apparent when the road crumbled with a single kick. This stark negligence exposed the contractor's prioritization of profit over community welfare. Subsequently, Hito intervened, halting the contractor's operations and urging the Public Works Department (PWD) to investigate the matter rigorously. The incident underscores the critical need for accountability and quality assurance in public infrastructure projects, highlighting the repercussions of substandard workmanship on local residents' safety and well-being.
Kajinguan jure bongko ne kasno muka ni sajlet memipek ni ke jitre memipek tangen ne kamau kaba nu kontraktor bongtre ipat habis pek ke jimi ni ba kumpul yu parola e menta luaslang ban ada bu kindo dengan pek lada ong ba kadon ta karul na po jong ka department ban le kumne ni u sule nu bongtre ya kata se pek ya kata ka order jong ka ne ka suro mana nuli ka seng ba kasnong na rai ba dalong tang kumne ngimpak syak ban tre ka ne in sange swa in pun bahaswa in pun hem swa kumno on su aya ka rong tempat yu karular kumno su aya khindo de ban yu su aya karular ku mau salin ta aya khindo aya sakarong de direct un aya du mau khindo un aya khindo bat un aya karong karong ka kanong scam batang support tangkat tu kan ne brai sekala ban pran laling jongi ngira persya bak naling yung rekat bekas nong in ong wiana surat ke bamanta ini komplain hadu ka office jong ka PWD ban in persangek swa ni kitre
so na kalian dun sa Shillong ni tempau ya sa jing penyau kalau kan ga kitre ya kan ka surop kan ini sampai ya kan ka surop ka ban ni dari dalam tempat yang terperti nadu kaba sedang jangan surop pada kaba mentaya kaba bidang tre sa ka kam dari ketum ke jeng ni ka long ka bornya hap ka kepala na nam ta tre tang ban tindak kom di dalam kijong hikmat nilai ini ba dalam kijong di kijong ini ba ka tre kijong kam kamlong ka pagpun matan ta jing kasino ina kalian jing kasino nila up ta Shillong na ta Shillong ya kaban up ni lempi ya ka jing yo ka jini nam ta ban yo ya ka surok rong mrei haban le yo pat ya ka ni ka surok rong kalong pat ke ka jing snosi lan ni ka jing penyau nam ta jini bat kalong si bentang kalong kumba la ibeng nam ta jini kumpi senong na sini nomor ba isi Shillong kita ke page rena kalian jenis pun ke Shillong nim siam lah kalian ya kere ada di nak kalian jenis ke Shillong di grup ya ke jingkerpa na ya kalian jong ka penat PWD bahkan da page banyak bahkan da yit banyak ya ke kontri jong kanika surop nomor.
On May 28th, a pivotal meeting convened between police officials, social welfare officers and various anti-drug groups. They resolved to enlist the aid of village defence parties VDP in the fight against drug abuse. Minister of Social Welfare Paul Lyngdoh emphasized this appeal during a secretariat gathering. The decision reflects a united front in addressing the scourge of drugs, leveraging community engagement and collaboration. With VDPs joining the fray, efforts to eradicate drugs gain momentum, signaling a proactive stance towards safeguarding communities and fostering a drug-free environment.
And drug use in the state of Meghalaya. The meeting was organized under the aegis of the DREAM mission, that is the Drug Reduction, Elimination and Action Mission. And At today's meeting, we have the presence of officials of the Home Police Department, officers of the Department of Social Welfare, various NGOs involved in the fight against drugs at various levels, the Malaria AIDS Control Society, and members of the mission, the DREAM mission. The discussions were wide-ranging and covered a lot of areas. We reviewed the progress of the DREAM mission, the various interventions that have taken place, and also we looked at the way forward and how to address the gaps that we noticed in tackling the menace of drugs. So in brief, that was the tone and the content of the discussions. One major area of concern for us was the need to make the program more community oriented. We would not like to see DREAM as just a government initiative, but because it's very important that in order to eliminate and eradicate the menace of drugs and narcotics, we need to broaden the involvement of civil society. And one of the areas of discussion was on the revamping and reorganizing, and also to look at the possibility of organizing the village defense parties, especially in the identified hotspots, including the city of Shillong. So in the last two sessions of interactions with the Parshnams,
The impact of cyclonic storm Remal, warned by the Indian Meteorological Department IMD, has left a trail of destruction across Khubor district, Meghalaya. Reports from various villages detail significant damage, including the loss of livestock, destruction of homes, and uprooting of trees. In Mauskei Them, a buffalo perished under a fallen tree, while Mauskei Lom witnessed the collapse of betel nut trees. Warmausau and Umsoba reported structural damage, while Umkansir and Umtang faced house damage and tree falls. Notably, Khubor District Police cleared debris on National Highway 06 at Umling to ensure traffic flow. Further updates are awaited from relevant authorities to assess the full extent of the devastation. Cyclone Renal's wrath has left a devastating imprint across multiple villages in southwest Garo Hills district. Striking on Monday, the cyclone ravaged 21 villages, inflicting extensive damage to homes, infrastructure and public property. Under various blocks including Beta Singh, Rerapara, Zigzag and Purakhasya, approximately 377 people are affected, with 3 houses fully destroyed and 55 partially damaged. Uprooted trees have partially blocked crucial roads like Ampati and Kalaichar, prompting active clearance operations by the Public Works Department. Immediate relief efforts include electronic fund transfers to affected households and expedited damage assessments by block development officers. Power supply disruptions due to damaged infrastructure intensify restoration endeavors. Despite challenges, local authorities reassure residents of relentless support and swift action towards recovery. Detailed evaluations are ongoing, promising a comprehensive report once assessments conclude. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.